Hi YouTubers, welcome to Project Aircat Part 5. Alright, so I've made some progress since the last time. So this flexi plate is now joined to the starter motor ring gear. We're calling this the flywheel now. So I've replaced the original BMW clutch bolts with these bolts here. These are M6 stainless steel by 1.0 thread, and they're 12 millimeters long, which means they don't stick out too far. And that's important because if you look at the engine, it has a few ridges, and the bolts will definitely catch on the ridges here, so you can't have the original length bolts. Yeah, we have also managed to dismantle the centrifugal clutch. So the centrifugal clutch really comes in 4 pieces. So this is an original part to the bike. That slots in like so. Then the first piece of the centrifugal clutch will fit into that. So they provide you Aircat or Airtrikes in Canada, where I got my centrifugal clutch and gearbox from. They provide you with a centrifugal clutch. I think it was $595 US. And that goes down onto there. And those bolts get tightened to 40 Newton meters plus 40 degrees of turn on the torque wrench. You're going to obviously screw those into the crankshaft. There is a locking hole, and on the back of the flywheel there's also a little pin. It's just below my thumb there, which goes and fits into that little slot. So you have the flywheel, little plate, the first piece. This is what the bearing rests on. That just slots into the little hole there. Then the second piece will go on top of that, and those 4 screws will go in place and fit on top like that. And then what I call the drum shoes, they will fit on top of that. I don't have any torque figures as yet, apart from the 12 Newton meters for these little flywheel bolts, and the 40 Newton meters plus 40 degrees of turn with the torque wrench for tightening. Yeah, I don't have the torque figures for those other bolts as yet. Anyway, that's encouraging to make some progress. And then once the centrifugal clutch assembly, which will sit in here, is located in the correct spot on the bike, using the little locking hole here, you can shove a screwdriver through your flywheel and into that hole that stops it from rotating when you're trying to tighten the bolts. Once that's in place, then the gearbox will move into position, and this drum here will slide over the centrifugal clutch, and this shaft here will slide into the bearing. And then once that's done, we'll simply use the original gearbox bolts to fit the redrive gearbox in its place, as well, not forgetting the starter motor. Yeah, so some encouraging things achieved, and watch this space. Have a good day. Bye.